morning and Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to online classes. This is your maths period and we are doing our lesson 3 multiplication. Today's topic is exercise 3.4 find the product. Children, I hope you all have completed your classwork and yesterday's homework. Now you all have learned how to find multiply by expanding the bigger number. So children, let's start today's topic, find the product. See question 1. Question 1 is given 59 into 70. First, I will explain you the question. So you all look at the board. After completing your work, after completing, I will tell you to write in your notebook. But while I am explaining, you all put your pencils down, sit with your notebooks open, but you will not write now. Put your pencils down. First, I'll explain you this question. Then you can copy it down in your notebook. I will give you time for copying down. So first, look at the blackboard. How to multiply 59 to 70. 59 into 70. Children, it's a 2-digit multiplication. I know you all have learned in class 3. But we are doing it again so that if you are having any doubt, it will become clear to you. First, what we are doing? First, we have to multiply the number written first in the ones place will be multiplied to the number written in the ones place. First number, we will hide this number. First, we will take 7. Okay? First, we will multiply 7 with the number written in the ones place. Then we will multiply 7 to the number written in the tens place. So let's start multiplying 7 first. First we will multiply this 7 to 9 which is in ones place. 7 nines is, say the table with me first. Say the table of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63. So write 3 gives carry 6. 6 goes for carry. Now we will again multiply 7 to the number written in the tens place. First, we will take 7. Okay. Now, multiply 7 to 5. You will get, say the table of 7 5 times. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 35 plus 6. How much you will get? 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Clear? So write 41, 4, 1, 41. Now children, put a cross. Why? Because now the work of 7 is over. Now which is the next number after 7? 1. So now we will pick 1. Okay? अब किसको लेंगे? 1 को. Now, start multiplying 1 with the number written in the ones place. 1 nines are 9. Now, 1 will be multiplied to number written in the tens place. Okay? So, 1 fives are 5. Now, add both the numbers. Here you will get 3, 9 plus 1. You will get 10. So, write 0. Put 1 carry. 5 plus 4, 9 and plus 1 is 10. So our answer is, read out the number on your own. Read out this number children. Answer is 1003. This is our answer. Now children, Suppose you are doing multiplication, then what you will do? You will divide your one page in 4 parts. Okay, you will make 4 columns in one page, and in each column you will do one product. Okay, one question you will do in one column. Here, now I am giving you time to write this first question. Before writing this question, you all will write today's date. Mention exercise 3.4. Write classwork on the top. Give heading, find the product, and then start writing and doing the question. First, what we have done in this question? First, we have multiplied this 7 to the number written in the ones place. Then, we have multiplied this 7 to the number written in the tens place. Now, the work of 7 is over, so we have put a cross. Now, we will multiply this 1 to the number written in the ones place, and then we will multiply this 1 to the number written in the tens place. After we get the partial product of both the numbers, we will add both the numbers to get the final product. So note down this, everyone. Now I am giving you time for noting it down. Okay children? So note down. And don't forget to fill index. In index you will write exercise 3.4 along with the date. This is 2-digit multiplication. It is vertical multiplication. Before it we have learnt horizontal multiplication. Now we are learning vertical multiplication. So note down this question children in your notebook everyone, and note down very in a neat and clean manner, okay, and in good handwriting. Written everyone? I can see who is writing and who is not writing. So everyone has to write. Okay? So write down children, all of you. You will divide your page in 4 columns. Make use of pencil and scale, and in one column you will do one question. And don't forget to write answer at the end. Now, I hope that you all have written first question. Now, come to the second question. But now what you will do? Put your pencil down. First, I'll explain you the question. Then I will give you the time for noting it down from the board. So, come to the second question, children. Your second question is 136 into 49. 136 into 49. Okay? 136 into 49. Children, for what we will do? First, we will multiply this 9 to the number written in the ones place. Which is the number written in the ones place? 6. Yes, 6 is written in the ones place. So, first we will multiply this 9 to 6. Say the table of 9 everyone. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54. So write 4 and take 5 as a carry. Children, if you will not write carry, you will forget. Okay? So always write the carry. If 54 is the answer I told you before, what we will do? We will write the last number and take the first number as a carry. So this only we have done. In 54 we have written 4 and taken 5 as a carry. Now we will multiply 9 to the number written in the tens place. Let's multiply. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 5. Add 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay. So write 2 here and take 3 as a carry because we take first number as a carry. Now we will multiply this 9 to the number written in the hundreds place. Which number is written in the hundreds place? 1. So 9 ones are 9 and how much is the carry? 3. 10. Count 10, 11, 12. We have added 3 to 9. It's 12. So write down 12 everyone. Now put a cross because now the work of 9 is over. Now we will come to our next number. Which is the next number? 4. Before coming to the next number, children, remove the carry of first number. Then only we will write the carry of another number. Okay. So we have removed the carry of first number. 4. 4 will be multiplied to the number written in the ones place. Which number is written in the ones place? 6. 4. Now let's read the table of 4 6 times. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24. So we will write 4 over here and take 2 as a carry. Okay. Now say the table of 4 how many times? 3 times. Now 4 will be multiplied to the number written in the tens place. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So write 4 and take 1 carry. Now 4 ones are 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. Now again the work of 4 is over. Now what we will do? We will add the partial product of 9 and 4. How much is the answer now? 4 plus 0 you will get 4. 2 plus 4 you will get 6. 2 plus 4 you will get 6. 1 plus 5 you will get 6. So how much is the answer? Our answer is 6,664. Write down. Answer is 6,664. Now children, you all can write. You all start writing now. Question number 2 I have explained. Now you all can note down it. Note down question number 2 everyone. Note down question number 2 children. These are carry and I am removing it. Okay. Now you all can note down question number 2. After this, I will explain question number 3. 1 you have already done. 2 now you all are doing. And 3 after you will complete question number 2, I will explain you question number 3. So do it children in your notebook now. We are doing topic find the product. In finding the product we are doing 2-digit multiplication. When we multiply two numbers, we take the first number and multiply it with the number written in the ones place. Then we multiply it to the number written in the tens place. After we multiply the first number, we pick the second number. First we multiply the second number to the number written in the ones place, and then we multiply it to the number written in the tens place. After getting partial product of both the numbers, we add the numbers. These are the steps we follow during find the product. So children, now I hope you all have written question number 2. Shall we start question 3? Or you want to take some more time? Okay, 2 minutes more. Okay. After that, I'll erase the board and I'll start doing question number 3. Done everyone? Now, let's see question 3. Okay. Question number 3 is 407 into 35. 407 into 35. First, what we will do? We will multiply the first number to the number written in the ones place. Now say the table of 5 with me. 7 times 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35. So write down 5 and take the 3 as a carry, because we take which number for carry? First number. Last number we write there in the place and the first number we take for carry. Now children, we will multiply the first number with the number written in the tens place. Which number is in tens place? 0. So multiply 5 with 0. I have told you before also, when we multiply any number with 0, your answer is 0. But there is a carry for you. So bring down that carry down children. 5 zeros are 0, but 3 is there, so we will bring 3 down. Now 5 will be multiplied to the number written in the hundreds place. Which number is written in the hundreds place? 4. So say the table of 5 4 times. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. So now write down 20 and now put a cross. Why cross? Why I have put the cross? You all know now? Because work of 5 is over. And now we have to take next number. And which is the next number? 3 is the next number. Now multiply this 3. Before multiplying 3, we will remove the carry of 5. Now we will multiply 3 to the number written in the ones place. Which number is there in the ones place, children? Yes, 7 is there in the ones place. So now say the table of 3 7 times. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21. So write down 1 and take 2 as a carry. Okay. In 21, 1, the last number will be written down and 2 will go to carry. Now, 3 zeros are 0 plus, what is the carry over there? We will not leave our carry there. We will bring our carry down. Okay, carry को नहीं छोड़ेंगे वहाँ पे. We will bring it down. Here, now move on to the hundreds place. Now, we will multiply 3 to the number written in the hundreds place. Which number is there in the hundreds place, children? 4 is there in the hundreds place. Now multiply 3 to 4. How much you will get? Say the table of 3, everyone. Along with me, you all will repeat the tables. So start repeating it. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So write down 12. Now we got the partial products of both the numbers 5 and 3. Now what we will do? We will add both the numbers to get the final product. Here 5 plus 0 you will get 5. 3 plus 1 you will get 4. 0 plus 2 you will get 2. And 2 plus 2 you will get 4. And here 1. Now you all will read the numbers with me. Read this number. How to read this number? Start reading it with me. 14,245. So your answer is 14,245. Okay. So now again I am giving you time for noting down the third question. So children, note down the third question. After this I will continue with the question 4. I will start question 4. Again I am giving you 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes I will give you for copying down. So no looking here and there, and just copy down the question 3. Completed, everyone? Now I hope you all have understood little bit of it. Now you all have understood find the product. How to find the product? What we are doing? We are taking the first number and we are multiplying it to, this is the first number. Suppose 5 is the first number. We are multiplying it to the number written in the ones place. Then we multiply it to the number written in the tens place. And then we multiply it to the number written in the hundreds place. And once we multiply the number, we take the another number. Suppose 3 is another number. We multiply it to the number written in the ones place, then to the tens place, and then to the hundreds place. Now I hope that you all have written your question number 3. Have you all finished it, children? Or you want some more time to write? Okay, I am waiting for you. 2 minutes more I am giving you. Okay. So you all complete it and then we will start our question 4. You will write each and everything that is written on the board. You will not miss anything. You will write classwork, today's date, exercise 3.4, find the product. Children, in the previous class I have told you what is the meaning of product. Do you know what is the meaning of product? When we multiply two numbers, we get some answer. We get some answer, right? So this answer is known as product. The answer that we get on multiplying two number is known as product. So this is what we have found out now. This is what product called. Okay, this is the product. So this is what we are doing. Find the product. We are doing 2-digit multiplication. Now I hope that you all have completed your question number 2. Okay, so let's start question 4. Our question 4. Question 4 is 2056 into 22. 2056 into 20. Okay, this is the question. Now children, put your pencil down. First I'll explain you this question, then I'll again give you time for noting it down. So right now you all put down your pencil, then only you will be able to understand the question. So shall we start now? Children, look at the board everyone. First what we will do? We will multiply the first number to the number written in the ones place. First number of ours is 2. So multiply 2 with 6. Start saying the table after me everyone. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. So write down 2 and take 1 carry. 1 gone for carry. Why we have taken 1 as a carry? Because the first number goes for carry. Now 2 will be multiplied to the number written in the tens place. Which number is there in the tens place? 5. So they say the table of 2 5 times. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. And when we add a carry to it, it will become 11. So, write 1 and bring 1 carry again. 2 multiplied by 0. Because now we multiply 2 to the number written in the hundreds place. In hundreds place, which number is written? 0. So, 2 zeros are 0 and bring 1 down. Now, 2 will be multiplied to the number written in the hundreds place. 2 twos are 4. So, write down 4. Now, children, put a cross. Okay, now we'll put a cross because now the work of this 2 is over. Now, we will take this 2. 2 will be multiplied to the number written in the ones place. Which number is there in the ones place? 6. So now multiply 2 to 6. How much you will get? Say the table of 2 with me everyone. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. So write down 2 and bring 1. Okay. Now I am removing the carry. I am writing the fresh carry of 2. Okay. Now 2 will be multiplied to the number written in the tens place. 5 is written in the tens place. Now say the table of 2 5 times. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So, we will write 1 and take 1 carry. Now, 2 zeros are 0. And how much is the carry? 1. So, we will bring our 1 down. We will not leave our 1 over there. है ना उसको वहाँ नहीं छोड़ेंगे. We will bring it down. Now, 2 twos is. Now, we multiply this 2 to the number written in the thousand place. Which number is there in the thousand place? 2. Yes. So now multiply 2 to 2. How much you will get? 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So write down 4. Now we got the partial product of this 2 and the partial product of this 2. Now what we are going to do? We are going to add both the partial products to get the final product. 2 added to 0, you will get 2 over here. Okay, 2 plus 1 you will get 3. 1 plus 1 you will get 2. 4 plus 1 is 5 and then here you will get 4. Okay, so now the answer is, read out the answer everyone. It's 45,232. Read the number with me now children. 45,232. 232. Read it again. 45,232. Okay, now I am giving you the time for copying down question number 4. Now you can copy down question 4, children. Write down it in your notebook. After this, I will give you today's homework questions. Write very neatly and clearly. Arrange the numbers properly in column. Okay, your number should not run here and there. It should be written in proper column, and each and everything should be written at quite distance. Don't mix it up. Don't mess your notebook. Okay. So at a proper distance you will write each and every number so that each and every number can be seen clearly. Okay. Like I have written after giving gap. In the same way you will write the numbers and give some gaps in between so that your numbers is visible clearly. Finish writing, everyone. Now you all have understood the meaning of product. Product, we say product to the answer of multiplication. Okay. When you will add, you will get some answer. That is called sum. And when we subtract, we get some answer. That is called difference. And when we multiply, we get the answer. That is known as product. So don't get confused. If it is asked, write the product or find the product. Then what you will do? Multiply. If it is asked to find the sum, then you will add. And if it is asked to find the difference, you will subtract. So this is the difference between these words. Write down these questions in your notebook now. I hope that you all have completed, or you want some more time to write. Okay, 2 minutes more I am giving you. After that, I will give you homework questions. Okay? Now, write down homework questions. Write down homework questions, children. All of you write down homework questions. Written, everyone? I hope now you all have completed. Get ready for homework questions now. Now write down the homework. Homework. You will write. Write down homework first. Then write down find the product. And now write down the questions. Your first question, first homework question is 68 into 23. How you will arrange the number in column? 68 into 23. Okay. Now your second question for homework is 378 into 32. How to arrange it in the column? 378 into 32. This is how you will arrange the numbers in column and multiply. These two questions are homework questions of yours. So children, note down it in your notebook, everyone. I am giving you 2 minutes for noting it down. First question, 68 into 23. Second question is 378 into 32. Homework questions you will do in the next page. Okay? You will not do in the classwork page. Children, in the next page you will do the homework in a new page, in a blank page. Written the question, everyone? Everyone has written the question now? First question is 68 into 23 and the next question is 378 into 32. Children, I hope now you all have completed your classwork as well as your homework. If something is left, don't worry. I am sending you a PDF from which you can complete your work. Okay? So I hope you all have understood, find the product and enjoy today's class. Tomorrow we will meet again. Till then, goodbye and take care everyone.